Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Double Jackpot. Today we have a video on a 2009 Honda Civic. It's going to get a headliner replacement. We're going to come in and show you the headliner that's drooping down. We're going to show you the headliner that's fallen down. This is very common on cars this age. It's a great car, Honda Civic 2009. We do these all day long. It could be a Camry, it could be a Chevrolet Malibu, lots of Mercedes, lots of Volkswagens. Volkswagen's very popular on these headliners. Anyways, we're going to show you he's going to remove the panel. He's going to take that panel out. We're going to clean the panel. We're going to do the cleaning up of the panel. Then we're going to reupholster the headliner panel and then reinstall it. But we just want to show you that's the vehicle. The headliner is falling down. They come loose after age. The glue lets go. The foam backing starts breaking up. So this is the first stage. We'll show you when the headliner panel is removed, and we'll progress with the video as we get to working on it. Stay tuned. Continuing on with this Honda Civic job. This is the panel removed from the car. It's on a table. It's been completely cleaned off the old material. They will then proceed to lay the new cloth down, headlining material, and glue it and make all the little cutouts for the sun visors, the dome light, and the inside door handles. So stay tuned. I'm gonna let you film the panel, and I'm gonna show you. The old material. You just saw the old material, how it's decomposed. That's the foam on the back that is all coming apart. So you clean that off the panel board, you remove this material, and then you're going to recover it with new headlining material. We'll show you the product as the procedure as we continue on. As we continue on with the video, the material is laid down. I'm going to lift it up because he's going to then glue it. There's the panel board. He'll be spraying the glue, but the material's laid down real nice. He'll adhere the glue to the panel board, and you'll have a completed headliner done after he cuts everything out. So we'll continue on the video, but it's quite a process. The panel board comes out of the vehicle, and it's completely clean and reupholstered. Stay tuned. Okay, we got the Honda Civic completed. I'm going to show you the inside of the headliner. Everything's put inside the car. Here we go. And also, these headliner jobs, they're probably 80% of what we do. Headliner's the most common thing in our upholstery shop. Absolutely tight, no wrinkles, no fingerprints, absolutely beautiful, matches perfect. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the headliner video. This was for an 09 Honda Civic. If you have any kind of vehicle that needs interior repair, seats, headliners, convertible tops, please feel free to give us a call. We also do auto glass, so leave it in your comments and any kind of questions you have. Please subscribe to the channel. We're going to show you more of the jobs that we do. But this one took approximately 3.5 to 4 hours tops. So guys, I hope you liked the video, and we'll talk to you on the next one real soon.